everybody, it's the Gunny.
And I'm Ray with Malakai Prime Media.
And we're here located at Concours d'Elegance over in Hilton Head, South Carolina, one of the fanciest car shows on the East Coast. So we're going to go ahead, take you around this entire large car show that is simply just fascinating. Subscribe to our channel for us, we appreciate that, it keeps us going, and stand by and see what we got to show you. That's what I like to see.
That's beautiful.
That's right. That's awesome. I have a pair of boots at the house to see if you can work them out too. Lots of people out here, big crowd, bunch of car enthusiasts out here doing their stuff, man, competing, trying to see who's got the best out here. It's pretty cool. A lot of Austin Healeys. We just left, as you saw, the part of the golf course that displayed most of the Austin Healeys. So we're gonna keep pushing on. Let's see what else we can find.
We've got another great demonstration coming up for you.
This is a 1930 Cordy L27.
Young America Boulevard. And don't miss the
beautiful orange color. Look at the interior, pristine and clean. Amazing. Well taken care of. It just goes to show, if you give anything love, it'll always last. And as we see here, we have the DeLorean, a replica of the car from Back to the Future by Steven Spielberg in 1985. And how do we know that it was made in 1985? Well, because they keep repeating that in the movie. Over at Universal Studios, Florida and Hollywood, you could go and see all kinds of different types of Back to the Future memorabilia. Everybody enjoying all these awesome cars today on the first day. All shapes and sizes, big, tall, regular, and
1,000-mile barn find. Took it all apart, not a single bit of rust on any of the nuts and bolts to rebuild it, very unusual. And it was owned by a commander who actually flew a plane to get the Enigma machine in the S-505 submarine that they got to World War II. So it's kind of got some history with it.
nice, awesome. Are you a veteran, sir?
No, sir.
Okay. Just want to ask.
Yep.
Awesome.
Thanks.
M. Check him out. Nice and beautiful red. Look how the hood is propped up differently. Pretty interesting, huh? Very exquisite. Go Gamecocks!
Yay!
Yeah, I know. I mean, what the heck's happened to all the spare bodies here?
Yeah.
What the heck?
Nice looking car.
Thank you. Thanks.
Nice restoration on it.
Hey, dude.
What's up?
You want to burn one? All right.
Time to do the right one.
They already started in there.
Look at that, that's awesome.
That's going to be in the grass.
That's where they hang out.
exotic vehicles that are of smaller stature, but still significant and beautiful nonetheless.
I guess we have to have some.
They have all these beautiful vehicles on display out here at Concours d'Elegance. This right here, this 1966 Chevrolet Coupe. How beautiful that is. I'm gonna come in, I'm gonna give it a quick check out that engine. Nice and beautiful. Look at the chrome on it. Leather interior. It's looking good. It's looking good. There we go.
Join the BMW, Mercedes-Benz, and Audi clubs, and remember to cast your ballot. Carl Village of Bluffton. Now votes can be cast at the Ace Hardware People's Choice voting tent. That's right.
In front of you have a 1991 Toyota Century hearse. This is an amazing vehicle only just because of the sculpture that is on top of it. Look at that. Really won't see any of these running around South Carolina. Not very often, I would assume. As we go inside where the casket is. Wow. Amazing.
You better get the 32 Cadillac.
It's a 66
So supposedly that ended on what, the first 250?
Beautiful display. Look at the English memorabilia set up just to capture the beauty of the car, just to make it stand out just a little bit more. Pow.
I would daily that.
Some of the older, more foreign types, like this 1938 Dobson Type 17. How many times you see anything like this on any of the regular car shows that you go to from time to time? Pretty cool. And this is a 1911 Interstate Bulldog. Look at this beautiful, pristine, over 100-year-old vehicle. It's amazing that they got these antiques out here. These are some of the most amazing vehicles. You're looking at history. History right in front of your eyes. Concours d'Elegance. We're gonna have a junk on the bunk, huh?
All right. Everything here is original, but
This is a 1934 Legends race car. Wow, look at this, pristine. All racing seats on the inside, aftermarket of course. Beautiful vehicle. And straight from the world of Toy Story, we have the Pizza Planet mobile. It's ready for special delivery. This is a 1972 Ford Condor. Very big vehicle, very fun, probably. And it is Cousin Eddie's RV from National Lampoons Vacation. And straight from National Lampoons Christmas Vacation, here's Uncle Eddie's Condor, 1972. And we have a replica of the 1990s classic, Jurassic Park. Looks like it came straight from Universal Studios Florida here on a cart, but no it didn't, someone actually owns this.
And if you read the placard on it, they have us in the woods with the tree coming through the woods, so they...
And look at this, a Corvette with a Hemi engine. Wow, not only that, it has a different style transfer case too. I'm gonna come around here and just look for yourself. Wow, got it. And this is a 1996 Daihatsu Midget 2. Very unique, especially for being in the South. Not too many of these running around, I would assume. And here we have one of the local classics. This 1992 Daihatsu Miura is all over Beaufort, South Carolina. We've seen him at the Oktoberfest. We've seen him at random car shows. He's awesome. And he comes out and he puts everything out for the kids. Has jumping spiders, jumping scarecrows, and I'm sure he's going to do something for Christmas this year. Now we have a 1913 Ford Model T. Over 100 years old. A Centurion. That's amazing, isn't it? With this vehicle. What has this vehicle seen that we have not? It's amazing. And here you have a 1908 Sears motor car. Wow. Amazing. Sears motor car, who would have thought, right? But I bet you anybody in that era knew it was common knowledge that this vehicle existed. 1949 Ford second tractor.
He has one, but he doesn't really use it.
1952 Dodge with Ace Hardware on the
Ladies
side.
and gentlemen, we have a real interesting event going on, and it's in the Driving Young America Boulevard Awards Park. I know you're into your cars, so it's polishing, compounding, that's paint correcting, wax touching. We'll be
And this is Vengeance. Vengeance is a 1932 Ford Coupe custom built.
The driving Young American.
Look at this monster. Wow, this is amazing. Look at the size of this vehicle.
Cable now.
Look at the wheels. Sitting on 36-inch rims. This is a 1951 Crosley Super Sport. Very rare car. See, you got a fifth wheel on the back with the Crosley name. And it's a convertible, but a unique kind of convertible. As you can see, you got to snap down the top. This is a 1963 Chevrolet Corvette split window coupe. This car right here is the first year that the Corvette was made. Probably the most expensive Corvette in the world. Look at the slick back. Very few of these were made. And very few are still left. And this is day 2 of Concours, Day Elegance. And we're going to go in and see some different types of vehicles today. They say the rumor is a couple $1 million cars, so we'll see what it's like. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and stand by and let's see what they got.
remember always that the war could not have been won if the Belgians, the British, the French, and the Italians had not done.
And right now you're looking at a 1934 Plymouth PE Deluxe Business Coupe. White wall tires, leather interior. Lucky license plates. Hello, sir.
They did a nice job last night. Like with them. They showed up for this thing.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out. So try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fun, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Stars, I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
Sorry.
Oh, you're fine. You're in the video.
Yeah. What if I'm just concealing that I'm waiting for a star to fall? Won't you do me a favor? Won't you hit me up, baby? All this time I'm looking at my telephone, 'cause I'm thinking of your hands and the way you make them dance on me, on me. Make a wish, take your pick, let me out before I sleep. Take your pick, hit. Dynamite, you just blew my mind right now, right now. One more night, baby, come and show me how, show me how. Yeah, you just blew
These are the best of the best that's showed out here at Concours d'Elegance.
Take your pick, let me out before I slip. Take your pick, take your pick. Feeling so small, watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.